This is the high point of the holy event, the Papal Nuncio and Apostolic Nuncio to Nigeria, representing the Pope leads Bishop Denis Isizor to the Cathedral, the seat of the Bishop of Aguleri Diocese. The Papal Nuncio now officially presents Bishop Denis Isizor as the one to lead the flock of Aguleri Diocese.
Our Holy Father of Francis has chosen you to be the shepherd of the people of the Church of the Catholic Diocese of Aguleri. With prayerful confidence and trust, I hand to you the pastoral staff as a sign of the office of shepherd. May the Lord sustain you as you watch over this flock of this diocese, to which the Spirit has assigned you as Bishop.
The Papal Nuncio will hand over the staff of a shepherd to Bishop Denis Isizor. It's a symbol of installation. Bishop Denis Isizor shall now accept officially the pastoral care of the Diocese of Aguleri entrusted to him by the Church.
And with the love of God in my heart, I accept the pastoral care of the people of God. The entrusted to me in stewardship. I resolve to serve faithfully the Church in this diocese.
After the acceptance speech, the Papal Nuncio shall now officially declare him the Bishop of Aguleri Diocese.
His Lordship Most Reverend Denis is also installed as the Catholic Bishop of Aguleri Diocese.
After now, the Apostolic Nuncio shall read the Apostolic Constitution, erecting the Diocese of Aguleri as a suffragan diocese to the Onitsha Ecclesiastical Province.
Decree. His Holiness conferences to the Apostolic Constitution Satagentes ex Gratia, given in Rome on the 12th of February 2023, is pleased to erect the Diocese of Aguleri with the territory taken from the Archdiocese of Onitsha, making it a suffragan see of the latter. On that same day, the Holy Father has appointed His Lordship, the Right Reverend Denis Chidi Isizor, until now titular Bishop of Legia and Auxiliary Bishop of Onitsha, as the first Bishop of the new diocese. I, the undersigned Archbishop Antonio Guido Quilipati, Apostolic Nuncio in Nigeria, by virtues of the faculties given to me by the Holy See in the above mentioned Apostolic Constitution, with this present decree, officially execute what was established by the Holy Father, and I declare that the Diocese of Aguleri is canonically erected and constituted with all juridical effects, and that the Church dedicated to Saint Joseph, spouse of the Blessed Virgin Mary, is the cathedral of the new diocese. Given at Aguleri on the 17th day of March, in the year of the Lord 2023.
Now the unity of the Church shall be expressed with the diocese from the embrace of the Apostolic Nuncio, followed by the Archbishop of Onitsha, the Metropolitan of Onitsha, and then the Cardinals of the Church who are present, followed by the Bishops' Conference of Nigeria, the President, and then other bishops of Nigeria, the priests, the religious, and the lay faithful. This signifies the bond of unity among the Church from the head to its members.
the President of the Catholic Bishop Conference of Nigeria, Archbishop Lucius